Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator itself. Now this is shown here in the colour pink, but it's also available in the colour purple as well. So this rabbit vibrator from Teazers provides wonderful stimulation of your vagina, clitoris and G-spot. The pink part just here is made of a body-safe silicone, so it's very soft and smooth and very comfortable during use. The clitoral stimulation is flexible to provide amazing clitoral stimulation. And the shaft just here is also slightly flexible to help effortlessly find your G-spot and adapts to your body shape as well. It has slight ribbing here and a rounded head for excellent stimulation. So this is perfect and suitable for your first vibrator. Now this rabbit vibrator has 10 different vibration modes, that's 3 speeds and 7 patterns, and is very simple and easy to use. It's battery operated and batteries are not included, so you require 2 AAA batteries and you simply twist and simply pop them in. To turn on, press on the bottom button and it's on. To change the settings, use the top button. And to turn off, simply press once on the bottom button and it's off again. Now, when using this rabbit vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth. And that is the Teazers Rabbit Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.